Hello friends, in this video I am going to take up problems in which we have to find the sum of squares of multiples of a number. Like we are asked to find 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square. So they are all multiples of 2 and we need to add their squares up to say how many terms we require up to 20 square. Now see, whenever we need to add the multiples, that is the squares of the multiples, then we don't need to find the squares first of all. We just need to know the formula for finding the sum of squares of first 10 natural numbers. Now, sum of squares of first 10 natural numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, and take the square of every term, is obtained by multiplying n with its successor n plus 1 and then another factor 2n plus 1 and dividing it by 6. Now this is the formula we need to remember for finding this solution very easily. The sum of squares of first 10 natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Now let's solve this problem using this shortcut. Now see, in this question 2 square is common and what we are left with is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to the last number will be 10 square. Now this 2 square 4 will be there and this can be solved using this formula. Now n is 10 here, so 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 2n is 20 plus 1, 21 by 6. Now we need to solve this to find the answer. That is a simple calculation and we get to our answer. This step I have written just for your understanding purpose. In the second and third question which I take up, I will not be writing that step also. So let's calculate this. See, this goes 2 times and 7 times. 2 goes 2 times. So this is 2 into 10, that is 20 and 77. So your answer is 1540. 1540 is the sum of squares of first 10 multiples of 2. I hope you have understood the method because we are going to take 2 more questions by skipping steps. Now let's see. Let's take multiples of 5. So 5 square plus 10 square plus 15 square up to suppose 200 square. Now see, if you take 5 square common, so we will have 1 square, 2 square, that is up to 40 square. So this 5 square 25 will be there in the answer. Now we have 40 terms, so 40 and 41. And now double of 40 is 80 plus 1, 81 and divide by 6. Now this is the calculation we need to carry out. So 6 and 81 we can cancel with 3. So this is 2 and this is 27. And now 2 cancels 20 times. So 25 into 20 is 500 into 41 into 27. Now this is a simple calculation we need to carry out to get to our answer. So 41 into 27, we need to check this. 7 1 is 7, 7 4 is 28 and 2 30, 0 3, 4 2 is 8 plus 3, 11. So 1107 is the product of 41 and 27. And now we need to multiply this by 5, 35, 5, 5. So 5535 followed by 2 zeros. That is the sum of first 40 squared multiples of 5. Let's have one more question for understanding. Let's have multiples of 7. 7 square, 14 square, 21 square up to say 105 square. Now see, 7 square 49 into, now how many multiples are there? Just divide this by 7. This will give you 15. So we have 15 multiples. So 15 into its successor 16. Double of 15 is 30 plus 1, 31 by 6. Now we can cancel this 2, 5 and 8. So we have the simplified form 49 into 8 5 is a 40 into 31, that is, so just multiply 49 and 31 first, 27, 31, 1519 and further multiply by 4, 6076. So we have the final answer 6076 followed by 10. 60760 is the sum of squares of first 15 multiples of 7. So another amazing shortcut, another amazing method, trick through which you can save a lot of time in competitions. Obviously, if you like the video, do share it with your friends and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell shaped icon.